Ripple remains to be one of the most exciting cryptocurrencies on the market, along with Bitcoin and Ethereum. With the crypto trading market entering a new era, traders who can write an accurate crypto prediction will stand to make a lot of money on the crypto exchange. You're watching Crypto University, where you get all the latest news about crypto, blockchain, and NFTs. Make sure to watch the video until the end and hit that like button if you find it informative and unique. Also, beware of the scam comments in the comment section. Don't give your personal info or even sign on to an anonymous site. We'll never ask you to contact us on WhatsApp. In this video, we're going to talk about three main things. What is XRP, its history, and most importantly, its price prediction for 2022, 2025, and 2030. Without further ado, let's get started. What is XRP? Well, before sharing this, it's important to know what the difference is between XRP, Ripple, and RippleNet. Simply, XRP is a cryptocurrency that runs on a digital payment platform called RippleNet, which is on top of distributed ledger database called XRP Ledger. While RippleNet is run by a company called Ripple, the XRP Ledger is open source and is not based on blockchain, but rather on a previously mentioned distributed ledger database. Keep finding in mind that the XRP price prediction that we have given below is only based on how the project is performing and what the technicals are saying. The RippleNet payment platform is a real-time gross settlement (RTGS) system that has aimed to enable instant monetary transactions globally. While XRP is the cryptocurrency native to the XRP ledger, you can actually use any currency to transact on the platform. Well, Ryan Fugger is the person behind the idea of the Ripple payment platform, which was first voiced in 2004. It was not until Jed McCaleb and Chris Larsen took over the project in 2012 that Ripple began to be built. History of Ripple XRP. The Ripple payment network launched in 2004 with founder Ryan Fugger at the helm. In 2012, Jed McCaleb and Chris Larsen took over and created the XRP ledger. McCaleb served as Chief Technology Officer until 2013. Today, the organization is headed by Brad Garlinghouse, CEO, David Schwartz, CTO, and Eric Van Miltenberg, Chief Business Officer. Individuals use XRP as an alternative to traditional banking, making money management and the transfer of currencies more accessible, even across borders. Financial institutions can use the network to bridge currencies for faster transaction processing between countries. Meanwhile, developers are encouraged to build fast, green applications on the open-source platform. XRP can be transmitted across blockchains, making it a flexible form of currency. XRP is the coin of the Ripple network. At press time, Ripple Labs, developer of the Ripple network, is embroiled in a lawsuit with the US Securities and Exchange Commission. The SEC is claiming that Ripple executives used XRP tokens to raise funds in 2013 and that the coin was an unregistered currency at the time. This would have been considered illegal activity in the eyes of the SEC. Price prediction. But what does the platform's past, along with the current legal proceedings, mean in terms of Ripple price prediction? How much XRP is worth in 2022? What will the price be in 2025, and what will it be worth in 2030? Let's get into it. How much is XRP worth in 2022? In June 2022, just days after the S&P 500 entered an official bear market, XRP is worth just over 31 cents according to CoinMarketCap. It is following the downward spiral of other cryptocurrencies. XRP has lost more than 62% of its value in the past year. At 31 cents, the current XRP price in 2022 is closer to its launch price of 10 cents than its all-time high of $3.84 in January 2018. According to Coinbase.com, statistics had rallied in early 2021, hitting a price of over $1. By April 2022, it had dipped down to roughly 70 cents and continued its plummet through the spring, in line with Bitcoin and Ethereum during what experts are calling crypto winter. However, the verdict in the SEC lawsuit could turn things around for XRP and would represent a victory for all cryptocurrencies to be traded as non-securities and thereby not under tight regulation by the SEC. Also, in May 2022, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse told CNBC that the organization will explore the possibility of an initial public offering once the lawsuit is over. At the time, XRP had lost 42% of its value in just 30 days. TradingEducation.com is more optimistic about XRP's prices by the end of the year, predicting that it could hit $1.29 by December. CryptoNewsZ.com believes that XRP could hit a price of $1.84 by the end of the year. BeInCrypto.com has XRP price predictions for this year based on a Ripple win against the SEC or a loss. If Ripple wins, the coin could go as high as $2.5, some experts say. If they lose, it could stand to gain a bit, but only to roughly 50 cents a coin. Today, XRP has a market cap of $15.3 billion and is the world's 8th largest currency, according to CoinMarketCap, behind these top cryptocurrencies: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, USD Coin, BNB, Binance, and Cardano. What will XRP be worth in 2025? Experts see XRP continuing to gain value through the next few years. Changelly.com offers an XRP price prediction of $1.47 at a minimum and $1.76 at a maximum in 2025. A panel of experts polled for Finder.com's XRP price prediction report published on beyondcrypto.com pegged XRP at $3.61 by the end of 2025. It's worth noting, though, that 5 of the 14 experts think that the coin will remain under $1 in 2025. If the Ripple platform enjoys mass adoption within the next few years, Crypto News Z predicts that XRP could rise to as high as $2.5 in 2025. TradingEducation.com is even more optimistic, with price predictions as high as $8.76 for 2025. What will XRP be worth in 2030? XRP has a lot working in its favor, especially if Ripple wins the SEC lawsuit and the XRP IPO comes to fruition. Ripple already has many innovative financial services that enable cross-platform and cross-blockchain payments. The Pay ID feature, for instance, allows users to send currency across platforms through an easy-to-read yet secure ID that, according to Crypto News Z, works with any service provider. Similarly, OnePayFX allows instant or same-day low-cost international payments with full transparency regarding fees and arrival times of the funds. Multiple financial institutions, including MoneyGram, have piloted XRP for trans-border payments. All of these services bode well for the future value of XRP. But what do the experts say about the XRP prices as far out as 2030? TradingEducation.com, which is bullish on XRP's long-term future growth, likens the platform to a Visa competitor by the end of the decade. The site predicts that XRP could reach a high of $31.81 by the end of 2030. If this turns out to be true and you can ride the waves and hold onto your crypto, a $100 investment today could yield $9,638.43 in less than 10 years. Of course, cryptocurrency is extremely volatile and you could just easily lose your entire investment. The Finder.com panelists think that Ripple could hit $4.98 by the end of 2030. But Finder's global cryptocurrency editor, Keegan Francis, does not agree. He predicts that XRP will fall to just 10 cents back to its 2012 starting price by 2030. Some experts believe that XRP will fall to zero by 2030. It's smart to never risk more than you're willing to lose on any investment, and especially in volatile assets like meme stocks and cryptocurrencies. Lastly, Ripple is a money transfer network and digital currency that allows transactions that can happen many times faster than with Bitcoin or Ethereum. With just an internet connection, you can complete various transactions. That wraps up this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay notified about our uploads. I'll see you next time. Until then, peace out.